Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells between sheets in Excel. To begin, open your Excel workbook and identify the two sheets you wish to connect. One sheet will contain the source data, and the other will be where you want that data to appear. This fundamental technique ensures your reports and dashboards always reflect the most current information without manual updates, saving you significant time and reducing errors across your spreadsheets. To create a simple link, first navigate to the sheet where you want the linked data to reside. Select the specific cell where the information should appear. Type an equals sign, which signals to Excel that you are entering a formula. Next, click on the tab of the source sheet, then click directly on the cell containing the data you wish to link. Finally, press the Enter key to complete the operation, and the data will instantly appear. The formula Excel generates for linking cells follows a clear structure: an equals sign, followed by the sheet name, an exclamation mark, and then the cell reference. For example, if you link cell A1 from a sheet name sales data, the formula will be equals sales data, A1. The sheet name tells Excel which worksheet to look in, and the cell reference pinpoints the exact location of the data. This precise syntax ensures accurate data retrieval. Linking cells offers significant advantages, primarily ensuring that any changes made to the source data are automatically reflected in the linked cell. This eliminates the need for manual updates, drastically improving data accuracy and consistency across your entire workbook. For best practices, use clear, descriptive names for your sheets. Also, consider employing named ranges for your source data, which makes your formulas even more readable and robust, especially when dealing with complex workbooks containing many sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.